What up, everybody? I hope everybody's doing great. Quick update on the K24A giveaway. If you have not picked up a ticket, go do it now. The giveaway ends on July 5th at midnight. If you have already ordered a sticker, they have not been sent out yet. Once the giveaway closes, they will all be sent out at once. You will receive an email that they've been sent out, and then we'll wait about a week, about 10 days, so that everybody can receive theirs. And then I think right about July 15th, we will do the giveaway live on YouTube. There will be a second, third, fourth, and fifth place. Fifth place, you will receive your money back. Fourth place will receive a sticker pack of Damn It Boy stickers. Third place will be JDI Ghost Box, which you're about to find out what that is here in this video. Second place will receive my custom spoon gauge cluster. If anybody wants me to sign it, I will sign it. I'm gonna be kind of upset about letting this thing go, but I think it's worth it. So if you haven't picked up a sticker yet, go to HondaStreetGarage.com and enter the giveaway. You have till July 5th at midnight to pick up a sticker. Good luck to everybody. Thank you all so much for the support. Thank you for supporting me through all of this, and I cannot wait to give this thing away. Thank you guys so much. Now let's get into the video. Okay, kids, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready for the tater tots and get them strapped in. Now rockets all strapped on the feet. We got JDI over here putting this go bottom thing on here right here.
So, JDI sent me a product they wanted me to try out. Obviously, they make the push start buttons with the RFID chip. This is called the Ghost Box. It's actually a Bluetooth radio that you can hide in your Civic. You can see it's pretty nice, clean, sleek design here. Goes to the Ghost Box. And obviously, this is gonna plug up to the car. I'm gonna plug these two up together. Oh, we just heard the sound and the box turned on. You have the key on. You go to Bluetooth. Ghost Box. It's been connected. Pretty easy, simple. Now the question is, what do we do about this nice gaping hole? Now we can try to stuff the box back in there, or actually maybe see if we can't bring it over to the glove box.
So what's up, guys? It's a couple days later, and now we finally got some light so you can actually take a look at what I've got set up here. Here we have the block off plate, and of course we have the Ghost Box. So the Ghost Box fits in the glove box, no problem. Sounds really good, but here's a nice good look at it in the sun. So now we're gonna go work on some other things. We've got the JDI guys over here today. We installed a Ghost Box into the EF, and now we're doing it on the EG. We're gonna cut to this install. Yeah.
The Ghost Box. What is it? This is a Bluetooth radio delete module. This plugs in place of your factory radio. It's 4-channel, which means it's going to play across all 4 speakers in your car. It's also 50 watts per channel, so it's on par with what you would find in most other aftermarket head units. So the audio quality is going to be similar to what you're used to in other products. Install is super easy. All you have to do is plug it in just like you would the factory head unit. Whenever you turn on the car, it's going to power up. It'll beep once to let you know it's turned on. Then just go on the Bluetooth settings on your phone. You're going to click on the word Ghost Box. It's going to pair instantly, and then it'll beep again to let you know it's connected. And that's it. Setup is done. Every time you get in the car, put in the key and turn it, and as soon as it powers on, it'll automatically connect to your phone. When you order the Ghost Box, it's going to come with 1 harness, 3 harnesses that we currently offer to choose from: 86 to 98 Honda, 98 and up Honda, and then we also have a universal. So let's say you have a Nissan, a Ford, a Chevy, you can buy this connector, which plugs into the Ghost Box, and wire this in yourself. The last one here to the side is an extension harness. It's about 30 to 32 inches long, and this allows you to mount the Ghost Box further away from this radio connector. Every Ghost Box we sell comes with one of these included at no additional cost. We do sell them separately though, so if you buy a Ghost Box today for an older car and you end up upgrading to a newer car that has a different connector, you can buy just this harness separately from us. You don't have to buy a whole new Ghost Box.
This is the adapter harness that we made. We made them with this specific connector that goes in the back of the Ghost Box, and then we'll install this extension harness so that we can get it back far enough out of the way for your cup holder still.
Cool. You want to show them where we're hiding it?
Well, we planned out, we thought we would put it under this airbag delete, and there's a bar here that we can zip tie to, and then we can run that extension harness. We have enough wire to get over to the main connector for the radio. So we made this extension harness, so it's 32 inches long. We've made it unloomed because there's a chance that you may not need this much. So you can shorten it to the specific length you need. We recommend, to keep it from chafing, use some tape. We recommend Tessa tape since it's non-adhesive, so it's not so sticky, it doesn't make such a mess. It only sticks to itself. Regular electrical tape will work as well.
So now we have Beck over here struggling to do something. So now we have the ghost box all installed, nice tucked away, hidden. Ow! One more time, kids. We've got the ghost box all installed, hidden away, tucked away obviously up in there. What we're gonna do is turn it on and double check it, make sure it's working properly. First thing I gotta do is pull out my JDI RFID chip, swipe it in the secret location, which nobody knows about. Yeah. Anyway, so I've got the push start here. I'm gonna hit it twice. It will turn everything on. We just heard the chime for the ghost box. Now we need to connect to the ghost box.
There you go.
Ooh. I hear all the speakers working. Wow, it does sound good. It's pretty loud in here. Yeah. When you turn the car on, you're going to hear now your phone is connected, the system is on, and you can play music. Now a special word from Keegan.
You've actually got 2 of these now, right? You got one in here and one in the EF. So your phone will still connect to each automatically. The only problem you might have is they're both going to be called Ghost Box. They're not named differently, so you might want to go in and change the name if you want to. The only problem you might have is if you somehow manage to power both cars on at the exact same time, your phone might not know which one to connect to. But if you take it out for a drive or you take this out for a drive, your phone will still connect to whichever car you happen to be in. It'll still connect automatically.
Okay, so if you're trying to use your app, something like Spotify, the great thing is that you can go up here to the little settings, click playback, and then you can go down here to equalizer, and it will allow you to do custom settings to an equalizer. Your volume is on the side of the phone. You can go in here and customize your own settings, and of course they have their own presets as well.
Mark, we have an addition for you that we can offer. You can wire this in actually to either your adapter harness that comes with the kit, or this is your extension harness that we wired for you. We purchased a line output converter. You can get these on Amazon or wherever you buy your electronics, and this just wires in. There's 2 speaker wires, there's 4 wires, and you can just piggyback on that extension harness, and then we piggyback this wire for the signal wire for your amp. So it makes it really simple. Our harnesses are labeled and you're just matching color to color, so you can attach those 2 rear speakers.
And that feeds the signal to the subwoofer.
Correct.
The RCA's out.
So then you have an RCA out.
This works out great because I've never told anybody about this, about the EJ1. So yeah, I have this totally non-race car addition to my car, which is subwoofer and amp, because I got to have the boom. Helps, especially on trips. It really drowns out any sort of exhaust noise, you know, on long trips and stuff. So it makes the car more comfortable. The subwoofer hooked up here, and now what we're gonna do is power everything on, try it out, check the level of the sub, and make sure we're good to go. It's just that easy. Everybody look at the blue sky, listen to the noise. Yep, the car has now been powered on. I'm gonna hit this thing twice just for shits and giggles. Heard the noise. Now it's paired. Now we're going to attempt to play music. Oh, she's working. You can already hear
Nice.
it's barely turned up, and you can hear that thing knocking. Oh yes, yes. So you guys can see that the amp is working. Music on. So, all right. So success. We've got all the success. We've got everything adjusted the way we want. Let's play some music that's going to get us demonetized real quick. So you can actually hear it. I mean, see it. Yeah. All right. So. What?
Nothing.
First of all, works like $1 million. Sounds like $1 million. I get my glove box back because before I had the stereo in the glove box, like a lot of people do, but it barely fit, and it was just a non-CD player one. So a lot of people have to cut holes in the glove box. Now all of that's just eliminated. RCA line converter is super simple. It's just basically getting a signal from the 2 rear speakers. Anybody can wire that up. If you can wire up a sub and an amp, you can wire up a line converter, no problem. This is a final shot here. I don't know if you can see this black interior. With the cup holders, nice clean, fit and finish. Got, you know, my glove box back. Cup holders. Everything's good. Radio works. Well, stereo works and the sub works. So I'm happy.
So that pretty much wraps up today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Huge shout out to the JDI guys. Go to jordandistributors.com and pick up a Ghost box. You will not be disappointed with it. At 50 watts per channel, it sounds better than any head unit out there. And most of you know I'm a musician and I kind of take, you know, music and audio pretty seriously. And I am absolutely like blown away by the quality of this thing. They're only $129.99 shipped. And if you want the extension harness, it's an extra $9.99. And we're gonna be giving one away. Third place will receive a Ghost box on the giveaway. Remember, the giveaway ends July 5th at midnight, and we're going to be giving away the K24. Super excited. Go to HondaStreetGarage.com and buy a sticker if you haven't already. Remember, they will not ship out until the giveaway closes. Thank you guys so much for everything and all the support. I'll see you in the next video where we get to work on the EF and put some new parts on the EF. So, see you in the next one. Peace.